Good job. This is Emma's first time with watercolors. She's doing a good job. Huh? Does that keep tucking in? Here. Listen to our little nursery songs in the background. We're a little bored today. Oh. No, not on your face. Just in the paper. It's not makeup. Here, let's give you a new sheet. There. Good job. How about we add some yellow? Beep, beep. There. There you go. There. You gonna do it again? Okay. That's M.
M.
Good job. It goes right here.
Moon.
Moon, yes, you gotta turn it. Almost. Gotta turn, 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 turn. That one is O.
Ow.
Yes, right here.
Ah, ka, ka, ka.
There.
Go. Hey.
That one is Q.
Good.
Yes, goes right here. That one's Y.
Bye.
Yes, good job. That one's an X. Can you say X? Z. Can you say Z? Yeah, good try.
Bye.
Where's Emma? Here she is. Where's Emma? There you are. That's what we've been doing for the past 2 minutes. Hi. She hides herself in the closet. Where's Emma? And that's what I say. Hi. Emma. And then she shuts it. Might as well sit down. Where is Emma? you see in there? Oh, you want to see the back? So Emma's playing mailman right now. No, you go back and we'll put it in there. There you go. Good job. Yay, Grandpa. Yay. She's a mailman. Yeah, we made this a little bigger.
That's cool.
Good job.